I wanted to make this old table look even older, so I have created texture using two of the original Artisan range colours, Mrs. Brown, which is now discontinued, and Heavenly Blue. I've added baking soda to thicken up the paint and stippled it on to the table, which had been previously painted before. You can just see I've gone all the way over, stippling it so that it creates more texture. And then once those two colours are dry, I've done a full coat of just non-textured Posh Nelly. You can see how much texture's in there. Once it's all dry, you then sand it back and bring back through all of those base colours. And then if you've got any detailing, you can use the French shimmers to bring those out. And then it's just a matter of waxing clear and dark wax, just to bring out all of those details. And then you've made something older than it really is.